In this video, we'll be discussing the Bosniak classification of renal cysts. Now, Bosniak classification of renal cysts was devised to predict the risk of malignancy of each kind of cyst, because then the treatment of the cyst would vary accordingly. Now, first we have category 1 is a simple benign cyst with hairline thin walls. There are no septations, no calcifications, no solid components. Now, as is seen in this sketch, it is a simple cyst. There are no septations, no calcifications, no solid components. So the key word in this is nothing is there. Everything is absent. Everything is no. So this is how a simple cyst looks on a CT scan. This white structure is the kidney, and this here is the cyst. Now none of these cysts are malignant. So if it is a category 1 Bosniak cyst, there is no treatment required and there is no need for follow-up imaging. Now, category 2 are benign cystic lesions. Benign cystic lesions which have, so these cysts have few hairline thin septations. So, if this is the cyst, they can have septations in between. They'll have few, so it's usually one or maximum two, not more than two. So, they have few hairline thin septations. The walls of both the cyst as well as the septations, these are very thin, they are hairline thin and they are smooth, and these do not enhance on CT scan after giving contrast in the nephrogenic phase, or they either do not enhance or it is very minimal enhancement which is not measurable. So for all practical purposes they do not enhance, which means supposing say if this were the cyst, this is the septation, in the middle here we have calcification, it looks the same after contrast. That is to say, there is no enhancement. It looks like this both before and after contrast. Now the key word in this is calcifications. So they show fine calcifications. So the moment calcifications come, the word calcification comes, it is grade 2 or bigger. And the soft tissue and components do not enhance. And supposing if there is a cyst, if there is a high attenuation cyst, which is less than 3 centimeters, it is included in category 2 itself. So now let us look at this sketch, this surgical sketch. In this you can see this is the cyst. There is one septation in the middle. The white colored part is the calcification. None of these are malignant. So on imaging we can again see over here. So this, I'll use a brighter color. This is the cyst. And this faint thing which you can see over here, this is the septa, and this white thing over here was the calcification. So this is the septa and this is the calcification. I have drawn it slightly below the actual calcification. Now this is another image to show what the meaning of enhancement is. So now in this photo, we can see over here that this is the kidney. This enhances on contrast image. You can see the wall enhancing. This is the cyst. This entire thing is the cyst. And there is one septa in between with calcifications. Again, I'm drawing it slightly below that to show. So these are the calcifications. This is the calcification, this is the calcification. Now, this is in the non-contrast phase. Now, in the contrast enhanced phase, this is the contrast enhanced phase, and this is how it looks. So, for comparison, you can see this wall, this is enhanced, this whitish thing. So, this is the kidney. What you can see enhancing over here, this is the kidney. This is the cyst. Now the cyst wall has not enhanced. As you can see, the rim is the same as it was before. So I'll erase it and we can compare it again now. So if you see over here, it looks the same in both the pics, before and after contrast. That is, there is no enhancement. Now for a category 2 cyst, there is no treatment required and there is no need for follow-up imaging. So basically, if you have a patient category 1 and category 2 cyst, you reassure the patient and you send him home. Now, there is a special category called category 2F. This category was devised, it was not mentioned in the original Bosnia classification, it was introduced later for those cysts which were more complex than category 2, but they were not complex enough to be grouped into category 3. So, they are not as benign as category 2 nor as malignant as category 3. So, they formulated a special category for this group of cysts and it was called 2F, in which F stands for follow-up. That is, we have to do follow-up imaging in these patients. Now, what is the difference between category 2 and category 2F? Very subtle difference. Here you have an increased number of hairline septations or mild thickening of the wall and no septations, but no enhancement. See, no enhancement. Neither the cyst wall nor the septae enhance. And the size is more than 3 centimeters. If you remember, here we had seen one category, non-enhancing high attenuation cysts less than 3 centimeters are included. So once the size becomes more than 3 centimeters, it becomes category 2F. So in this surgical sketch, we can see this is the, I'll use a different color. This is the cyst. It has more than 2 septations. So you have 1, 2, 3 septations. And there is calcification, which is seen by this whitish color. So as can be seen in this imaging diagram, in this CT scan, see, there is no enhancement of the cyst, and you can see the septa over here, you can see septa over here. So these are irregular septae with calcification. These require follow-up imaging. Now, what is the duration for follow-up? After how many months or years do you call them? This duration is uncertain. Some suggest it should be at least 1 to 2 years. Some say it is less, some say it is more. But Bailey says 1 to 2 years. So we can accept that as a reasonable answer. Now, category 3 are indeterminate masses. These have a higher risk of malignancy. Now, the key word for calling it category 3 is the word enhancement. So once the cyst wall or the septations, once these show enhancement, it is called category 3. So enhancement here is the key word. So we can see over here. So now what is the meaning of enhancement? We'll have a look at it. Now, for example, this is the cyst. This is before contrast. After contrast, it is slightly bigger in size. So this is what it will look like. It enhances. So this is category 3. You can see in this sketch, in this surgical sketch, that these are irregular septations, and we have calcification over here. So in this imaging diagram, we can see that this is the kidney. This is the cyst. And you can see this white structure over here. These are enhancing. This is the enhanced cyst. These have a 30 to 100% risk of malignancy. Therefore, you need to do a biopsy to identify those patients requiring surgery. If the biopsy comes as normal, or if it is a benign pathology, there's no need to worry. If it comes as malignant or a risk for malignancy, then you have to go ahead and do surgery. Now, last is category 4. Category 4 is a malignant cystic mass. As in, they're called cystic masses. They're called cystic masses, but they're actually malignant because they have a 67 to 100% chance of being malignant. Now, category 4 and category 3 are the same, but with one subtle difference. So, it is category 3 plus enhancing soft tissue components. So, category 1 was a simple cyst with no calcification, no enhancement. Category 2 was a simple cyst with few septae, 1 or 2 septae, and they have calcifications, but neither the septae nor the cyst wall enhances. Category 3 was where there are more septae than category 2, but neither the cyst wall nor the septae enhance. Category 3 is when the cyst wall and the septae start enhancing. Category 4 is when the soft tissue component starts enhancing. So you can see over here, this is a surgical sketch. As is seen in this, the septae are kind of thicker. These are thicker than the previous. So if you look at this, it is thin. It is thick, and the contents are also enhancing. So this is category 4. So this is the soft tissue part, which is enhancing, and this is the cystic content. Now if it is category 4, it has a 67 to 100% chance of being malignant, so you have to do a surgical removal.